If you are running a coding bootcamp business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your coding bootcamp business. Now, managing tasks like guiding students through registration, sharing course link, and sharing automatic class updates manually can take a lot of time, but we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. So this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and it will help me to automate my coding bootcamp business. But before I show you the step-by-step process of how to build this chatbot, I'll show you the real-time example of how this chatbot works. Here we arrived on my WhatsApp screen. Now I will send a general message like hi, and let's see what happens. As you can see, our chatbot gets triggered and sended this message to us. Welcome to CodeRise Bootcamp, ready to kickstart your journey. Choose an option below to get started. And I'm getting 3 quick reply options: register, view courses, and class reminder. Now I will select first option. As you can see, for course registration, it is asking me for few details like name, email address, and the preferred course. And after entering these details, our chatbot responded with this message: you all said John, we received your registration for web dev. Check your email for further instructions and access links. Need anything else? Now if I click on this second option, view courses, it has responded us with this list message. And if I click on this open list, I'm getting a complete list of all the available courses like web development, data science, Python programming, AI and ML basics. So that's how our chatbot works. If you also want to create this chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user, and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that, we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences, and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials, and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before we start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. Now on the left side, you will see few options. Basically, these are the different type of messages and actions we are going to use to create our chatbot. This is flow start. This is where the chatbot gets triggered by keyword, regex, or pre-approved template and send message to the user. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot. Regex stand for regular expression. It means whatever the matches the pattern, it automatically be captured. By using choose template, we can trigger our chatbot using pre-approved meta templates. Now we are going to use universal regex, which will capture any text typed by the user. To enable case sensitivity, we can enable this option right here. Now let's start creating our chatbot. Now I will drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Now I will enter a welcome message. So this is our welcome message, and in this message, as you can see, I'm using two asterisk symbols. Basically, we are using these to make our text bold. We just need to put that text between two asterisk symbol and it will going to be bold. Now I will add three buttons, one to register for the course, one to view course list, and one to get class reminders. Now if the user selects the first quick reply button, I want to ask a few questions from them and store their answers. For that, I will use this action, which is ask question. I'll drag and drop this option like this and create a message. So in this message, I'm asking for their full name. Now I will select the context custom field. This is where the data is stored given by the user. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the description box. Now I will select format as any, and I will connect this quick reply button to our message. Now I will create another question where I'm asking about their email address. So I will drag and drop this ask question and create a message. Now I will select contact custom field and I will select format as email and connect this question to the previous question. Now I will create one more question. Simply drag and drop this option and create one more question. Here I am asking for their preferred course like web dev, Python or data science. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. Then I'll connect this to their previous question. Now after getting these details, I want to create a customized message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select text plus button once again and create a message. In this customized message, I want to show the details provided by the user like full name or their preferred course. For that, I will just need to use the dollar symbol followed by the particular contact custom field name. By using this method, we can show the data stored in the particular contact custom field. Also, we can preview our message by using this preview icon. Now let's start create response for our second quick reply button, which is view courses. For that, I will drag and drop this hollow point and select list option. Now I will create a header, body, and to add courses in this list, we just need to use this add section button. Now I will add a section title, which is courses. Now I will add one by one all the available courses. For that, I just need to tap on this add items. Now I will enter a title, which is web development, and also I will provide the description. It is the duration of the course. Now by using the same process, I will add few more courses. Here, as you can see, I've added 3 more courses in this list. Now we can preview our list by using preview icon. Here it is. When the user will receive this message and tap on this open list, they will get the complete list of available courses. Now I'm going to create response for our third quick reply button, which is class reminder. For that, I will use ask question node. Now I will enter a message. In this message, I'm asking for their course name and their email address to send the all updates regarding this course. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. Now I will connect this third quick reply button to this question like this. Now I will create final question for this message. I will select text plus button and create a message. And this is our final message. You are all set. We have added your email to our reminder list. You will start receiving class reminders, updates, and important links. Happy learning. So our fully functional chatbot is completed. Now to save this flow, we just need to click on this save button. So that's how you can create this chatbot. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try it for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbots for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.